We are at Care Harbor, as you can see, volunteering our time and students to get a little insight in their career of choice. X-rays, aspirating, they can do assisting with any kind of restorations. They're assisting hygienists, they're applying fluoride treatments. I mean, basically whatever they're allowing them to do. You can see kind of the different personalities of the students. Like some students are leaders, some students are followers. Some students stay and watch what everybody else is doing, some jump right in. So we get to see that as instructors and take it back to the classroom and say, okay, this is what I observed. How did you guys feel about this? So no matter what, it's a great experience all the way around.
To work in dental or any healthcare, you need to be passionate about what you do. You know, you need to be able to enjoy what you do. It shouldn't feel like a job. It should feel like something you're passionate about, that you enjoy doing every single day. Reaching out, just helping people. So that's what I enjoy doing. I enjoy making people feel good and helping them, getting them out of pain. So if you're looking to be in the medical or dental field, this is the perfect thing to do.
We have about almost 35 students serving the community. We are bringing back here, exposing them to the public. Yeah, so they have a good idea of what what's ahead, and also gives them a confidence of being an optician. They learn to listen about complaint, concern about glasses. So these are vital things for them, things that they would need to survive outside. And that's one best thing about being here. And like I said, we're helping the community.
It's going good. Yeah, I'm getting more practice into it. I haven't really done this. So this is really interesting to interact with different people, how to talk to people, how to get along with them and find their measurement. I've never really got to talk to people this way. I'm always the shy type, so I'm always secluded in my space. So by getting out and kind of just getting to know them, checking their eyes, making sure I know how to do certain things, it's really nice knowing that I'm helping them.